no smoke with me. Okay. Then turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. My whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie, bon appetit.
I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big shit, but my bank account match it. Hood, but
what's up YouTube, it's Shika Mariah and I'm back in another video, and today I'm going to be doing a seafood mukbang or seafood boil, and I'm going to be doing a Q&A. I have 22 questions and I have my seafood. So I'm in Illinois right now and I got my seafood from Cajun Boil and Bar. It's like, if y'all know where the Joliet area is, if you know where Louis Joliet Mall is, it's like, this is like right next to it. So that's where I got my seafood from. So I got crab, snow crab and shrimp, headless shrimp, corn and skin potatoes. So I didn't get like a lot of stuff, but we're gonna start. So yeah, and I just have it in the bag. So I'm gonna first start eating and then I'll get into the questions. They're over here. But first I'm gonna try a shrimp. I got medium because, you know, so the skin is on the shrimp, so I have to peel it off, which is fine with me. I don't feel like putting on that bib, so I didn't put it on the bib. I should have sucked the. So, how's y'all day going? This is messy. I have a napkin over here. I'm gonna put it like right there because I'm messy. So the shrimp is really, really good. Let me try a potato. Whoa, these potatoes are big. I didn't know they was gonna be this big. See? So I got a few crab in here, or whatever. So I'm gonna bring the cluster. Ooh, these are nice and juicy. So guys, first question is, how do you feel about being quarantined with your cousins and family members? I mean, it's actually not even that bad. I mean, yeah, they get annoying, but any other day I'm with them anyway, so. But any other day I'm with them, so like, it's really not that bad, but they do get a lot annoying. So this seafood is really good. Next question is, what is it like living in Texas after being in Illinois for half of your life? Second question is, what is it like living in Texas after being in Illinois for half your life? Oh, that's hot. I have 2 drinks right here. I have my leftover Pepsi, and then I have water because I get dehydrated. What is it like living in Texas after being in Illinois for half your life? I mean, there's nothing really different about it. I mean, yeah, I moved, but I mean, Texas is better because there's actually a lot of stuff to do. And okay. Yeah. No, it broke. Well, here's that piece, but it's not really different, but like I said, Texas has a lot more stuff to do, and Illinois, I mean, it has stuff to do in Illinois, but it's like, it's just boring. Period. And then I think I need some scissors because that juice is hot. I should have opened my water and Pepsi up but Texas has good weather. Illinois, snow, raining. I mean, it rains everywhere. Unless, I'll be right back. I'm going to get some scissors. Okay, guys. So, I got some scissors. These are small, but they cut through because they're sharp. See, those things are sharp. Third question is, what is your name? My name is Mariah. If you want to know how to spell it, it is Mauriyyah. My name is spelled weird because my parents did it like that. So, that's good, bro. I want another shrimp. Next question is, what is my age? I am 11. I'm going to be 9 in November. My favorite thing to do is spend time with my family and, I don't know, just go places. I like going places. I'm a car booty. I go everywhere. Where the car goes, I go. I like being in the car. I know, I'm weird. Shrimp. My favorite food is this. Seafood is my favorite food. I can eat it all day. Every day. I also have corn, if I didn't say that. I have 3 of them and 3 red skin potato chips. It's good though. It's just that spice I kicked in. My favorite food is this. My favorite candy is either those extreme airhead rainbow strips, or Sour Patch Kids, watermelon stuff. My favorite ice cream flavor, my favorite ice cream is mochi, and my favorite flavor is either cookies or cream or vanilla. I hate chocolate. Next question is, who is your best friend? My best friend is Kimora. My best friend is Kimora. We've been best friends for a year now. And yeah, that's really the only friend's house I go to, because I don't know. Our moms are close, we're close, so. My birthday is November 26th. Put that in y'all calendar, because I think I'm having a party this year if Corona's over. I have not been able. to crack this today. They're like very stiff. But yeah, my birthday is November 26th. My favorite colors are turquoise, yellow, and I think purple. I said I think, and purple. Because, I don't know, I like those colors. I don't like pink anymore. I used to love pink because of Hello Kitty, but I don't like pink anymore. I've been trying to open this really good today, but it's not working. Okay, I just cut my corn on accident. Well, like, you know how you take the little pieces? Where are you from? I am from Bolingbrook, Illinois. My height is, what is my height? Oh, 5 foot. I'm 5 foot. I'm probably gonna be taller than my dad and my mom because they're short. My shoe size is a 5.5 or a 6. My talent, dancing. That's, yeah, dancing. I think it's unlimited shrimp in here because there's a lot of shrimp in here. Yes, I'm gonna finish this bag by myself because it's shrimp. It's seafood. I'm trying to take the skin off. Oh, I forgot I had. My favorite animal is a koala bear or, oh my gosh, y'all. A koala bear or a panda. Koala bear, panda, or polar bear are my favorite animals. Favorite holiday is either Thanksgiving, Christmas, or my birthday. Huh? Huh? No, Kai.
Yes, he is. I called him back and he said he got 4 more pages. Now he has 2 more, maybe. I don't know.
Okay. My mouth is hot. My favorite sport is volleyball, track, and cheer and dance. So, yeah. Get your water in. So, this is very messy. Oh, this one's spiky. You know what? I'm just gonna break this up. See that meat? I'm gonna put it in that. Well, I gotta try to take this apart. Sometimes when I can't open it, I just don't eat it. Hopefully these scissors can do it. Can't do that. Okay. I'm gonna have to wash this table off. These scissors. There we go. Got it. Got it open. So I'm just trying to open this. What question? Oh, what is my favorite song? Saweetie Ice Girl. Yes, my team Summer. Couple step back, bounce back, and recover. Nope. Go ahead. Yeah, that's my favorite song. And I like Party Girl by, I don't know who by. I will be back. Okay, so I'm back. I got, my face cleaned off, my hands cleaned off. Even though they're gonna get back dirty, but it's fine, right? No. Y'all, this is good. Favorite TV show? Right now? It used to be Bring It, but that don't even come on anymore. So, like, that can't even be mine anymore. But now, I don't even got one. Y'all, my water almost fell over. Y'all. That was easy. I think I want gloves. I'm back. Okay, so I got my gloves, and on this one I accidentally pulled it too hard, so it's like a little off. But I don't care because my fingers, like, I have like little hangnails and stuff, and my fingers started burning, so now I'm still gonna try to get this, and it's not even hurt now. Okay. So I still try to crack this open. Okay. So it's hurting. I'm gonna get all that meat out of there. Look at my hands. Well, my glove hands. Sorry about that, guys. Didn't want y'all to see that, but y'all have to see it. Do you want children? Yes. I love children. Because they're nice. I like babies especially. Because they're so cute and they just sit there and I like them falling asleep on me like my little cousin Bonnie. And it's just so cute. So, yes, I do want children. I want... Oh, now it says, how many children do you want? I want 2. Either twins or a boy and a girl. Fair, right? I think so. Okay. So these gloves, not gonna work. I'm gonna have to take one off at least. Okay. I'm just gonna leave that right there. But I just need one to just... Need the scissors. I want 2 kids. Just, yeah. Can you swim? Can I swim? No. Taking swim lessons this summer though, for sure. Because I might have to swim away from Corona. Just playing. But yes, I'm going to take swim lessons because I feel like swimming is a necessity just in case something happened. Not saying something will happen, but you never know. So, trying to get all the meat out of him. And those are really all my questions. So, like, I don't know what y'all want me to do. Because, I'm going to tell y'all a little bit about me. So, I already told y'all my name, but my name is Mariah. And I am 11 years old. Ooh, look at that. I think I'm going to end this video even though I'm still eating, but bye guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with others. Bye. Hold up. Make sure to go get some seafood if you live in Illinois or if you want to go in Illinois. Get you some Cajun, boiled, and far. Peace.